In question 1919, we're asked to plot the load line. To do this, we have to find the maximum collector current possible and the maximum voltage to collector possible. So how do we do that? We're going to find IC maximum. And this occurs when voltage collector to emitter is equal to 0. Now, if the voltage from here to here is equal to 0, that means that the transistor is fully saturated or fully on, then IC max is equal to 8 volts divided by 3.3K, and that equals 2.4242 milliamps. What we also want to find is voltage collector to emitter maximum. And this is when IC is equal to 0. And if this current in here is equal to 0, that means there's no current flowing in the resistor. That means that this 8 volts here is in fact the same voltage here, 8 volts. So that means voltage collector to emitter max equals 8 volts. So how do we plot this? We have two graphs, one graph out of two axes. This axis will be voltage collector to emitter, and this axis over here will be IC. We know that the maximum on the voltage collector is 8 volts. So let's say it's 2, 4, 6, 8 volts right there. And in the vertical axis is 2.5 milliamps. So if we said 1, 2, 3, 4 milliamps, 2.5 milliamps is roughly here, 2.42 milliamps. And then the load line is simply the straight line between these two endpoints. This is what's known as the DC load line. This shows all the operating points that this transistor circuit can operate on.